Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn the use of min and max function. These are system-defined functions. So the min function returns the smallest value from the selected column, where max function returns largest value from selected columns. Here is the syntax for min function. Select min and specify the column name from the table, and max function syntax: select max column name from table name. Let's see quickly in SQL Server how we can do this. Open SQL Server, select the database and click on inquiry. Let's select one of the table. During this tutorial series, we have created employee table. Just select it here and right here select a star from employee. And then we will use the min function and max function on salary column. So as for the syntax, select min and then specify the column name salary from the table name. So here just select the query and click on execute. You can see that the minimum value from the table employee is resulted. Similarly, we can use just copy and paste this query and specify max. Let's run all the query in one go. Just execute it. See here, we have the minimum amount is 10,000. This is minimum amount. And then the maximum salary is 15,000, which is coming here. So here we can do one more thing, give the alias with the use of as min salary, so that you will have the column name there in the result, max salary, and then execute all the queries. So that here we can see the main query, which is select star from employee, and then the min function and max function we applied after that. Then we can see that min salary is 10,000 and max salary is 15,000. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.